Three words that come to mind when I think about the Catapult is innovation, manufacturing and investment.
Colleagues, network and resource.
I would say impact first, collaboration second, and then technology. Smart factory is about technology, but also about the people running it. So smart factories wherever technology is enabling you to control the factory instantly, where everything is easy. If there's a change, you can enact the change easily.
My opinion of a smart factory is one that will be connected through its supply chain, connected into its customers, but it'd be data driven. I think the factory of the future will be difficult to predict.
The way I picture it is virtual reality, augmented reality. Things that you can see before you do.
The biggest changes are going to come from the type of products we produce. So hopefully in the UK we can anchor complex products which are going to drive the future. And I think the way partners work across the supply chain is going to really change, and it's not going to be a supply chain but kind of a supply network.
Manufacturing will change in the next 10 years by reducing any health risks, incorporating more robotic programs and automation side to assembling. So I expect to see not many people walking around on the shop floor, but more people programming and doing more automation.
I think it's more around how do we enable humans and how do we provide an additional tool for them to interact with the environment. So a very useful tool, but it's more around enablement. There's not a lot of functionality behind. In some cases, it's going to still be easier to work with your phone or with a tablet or your computer rather than having visualization techniques. But in certain situations, they'll be really powerful around enabling collaboration and human interaction. So for example, we've seen even today where mixed reality has enabled people to do design reviews of things that don't exist yet.
In the future, technology should be accessed by SMEs. Technology is always the most expensive when it's new, and the purpose of research is to bring the whole cost of it down. The advice I'd give to SMEs to introduce smart technologies into their processes is just give it a go. If you have that budget, it is worth giving it a go because things can always be made better.
It's all around how can we make our factories or manufacturing systems better? What are the areas where we can improve? And it's having that mindset of change and innovation and always being better. And by trying to do that, technology is just an enabler.